Reset.
No.
What? What are you doing?
Oh my god.
Redstone, yes.
What?
Oh my god.
Redstone, I love it.
Oh my god, just go!
That'll do. Is there a village around here?
I don't see one.
What?
What? No way! How?
What? Mumbo Jumbo.
How did you do that?
Simple redstone.
How is this Minecraft?
Oh, hello.
Wait, what? What are you doing?
You see this?
Whoa, what the hell?
I'll do this to your whole farm if you give me the redstone.
Okay, here you go. What? Take it.
Thank you.
Take it all.
He just keeps dropping them.
How?
Okay, that's everything.
Okay, see you later.
Wait, come back here. Where are you going?
Got any food?
No man, no food, no food.
I said, you got any food? Look at all these resources.
Alright, just go. Huh?
What?
Just an easy build.
How are you building so fast?
What?
There we go. A simple redstone drill.
No way!
Holy, that was like 2 seconds.
Oh my god, Mumbo, how?
Just wait until later.
Alright.
What you gonna do?
What? What?
And now.
What? No way!
What the heck, dude? How is this real?
Is that the nether?
What?
Yes.
No way!
Here we are.
Oh my god, go Mumbo, go!
Holy, how are you doing this?
It's basic redstone, really. I love doors.
Okay, did anyone ask? What?
What is going on?
That's crazy!
Piston doors are so cool.
Oh my golly gosh, no way.
A fortress!
Yes, come on, go.
Yes, I am chuffed to bits.
What? Blaze spawner, yes!
Yes.
Feast your eyes.
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
It's actually quite simple.
He's throwing.
That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you build a fully functional blaze farm.
Shut.
This is so pointless.
Should be any second now.
What?
Wait, what? How many are there?
No way.
Yes, it works.
What?
That makes no sense.
How are you getting so many?
Oh my god. Okay, that's good.
That's enough.
That's good.
Yeah, I guess this will do. I think we're done here.
Wait, how are you gonna get back? Oh, right, of course.
Whoa.
And up I go.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Woo! This is amazing. What's happening right here?
Go, Mumbo. Let's go. Why did he stop? What? Jeez.
And we're done.
What?
How?
Not too complicated, really.
What do you mean? What the heck?
What even is this?
Computer,
Listening.
What? No way.
can you tell me the coords to the stronghold?
Yes, here are the coordinates.
What?
Thanks.
No way. How? Go, Mumbo, go.
My bottom has been in excruciating pain since the cyclothon.
The what?
The Mumbo Jumbo Jumbo Cyclothon.
What?
Today I cycled 140 kilometers.
Congrats.
Oh, but the bicycle seat's been killing me.
What? No.
What are you doing?
Mumbo, what the fuck?
That's not good.
Oh my god.
You ruined it.
What is that noise?
What is that?
Just a little something that reverses quantum space-time. It's really quite simple.
Wait, what? What?
That makes no sense.
No way.
They just reversed.
Piece of cake.
Oh no, Mumbo, a speedrun moderator wants to talk to you.
Okay, add them to the call.
Mumbo, I'm sorry, but your run is invalid. You're clearly cheating. You can't just...
Anything else?
No.
Okay, see you.
Wait, Mumbo, you don't have ender pearls.
Yeah, what? How are you gonna get to the end?
Oh, right.
What is he doing?
My god, how is he doing this?
Well,
What? What? Wait, no, what are you doing?
I have to test something.
You can't do that.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that'll work.
Just go.
Very simple.
Oh, there he goes again.
And that's good.
What? A rocket ship?
Yo!
No way, it's huge.
There's no way.
3, 2, 1. We have ignition.
Here we go.
What?
Oh my god!
How is this working?
It's just a simple flying machine.
Simple?
There it is.
Oh my god, it's the end.
Yes.
This could be world record.
You're doing so well. Whoa!
Oh
Did I forget that repeater?
no. Wait, yo.
Not my proudest moment. Oh, we have crash landed and I've completely obliterated my rocket.
Jeez.
Well, at least he made it.
Wait, Mumbo, how are you gonna beat the dragon?
Yeah, what? You don't have beds?
That's seriously?
What?
Oh my god, of course.
And a fully functional redstone tank.
What?
No way.
Fire!
What the heck? How? No way! What? That's the world record!